Hello everyone, my name is Supriyo Chatterjee and I welcome you all to the launch of the course QA Demon. I am a CAT Quant's 99.92 percentile. Talking about the QA Demon, I would like to clarify first of all that I am a QA Demon and I will make you one too. I will hold your hands and take you to that 99 percentile mark in quants. This is the only opportunity and the most important video for you before CAT 2026. So let's talk about the course QA Demon without any delay. I will start with my story. I barely passed in my class 9th and I scored the lowest marks in math in 10th and 12th. Just to show you, in 10th I scored only 76 marks and in 12th I scored 78 marks, and 9th class mein I just managed to barely pass, and my math teacher used to scold me a lot and told me that I won't be able to do anything in the future. I decided to appear for CAT 2023 in the final year of my graduation. मैंने कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं करा था and I just went to the exam hall ये देखने के लिए कि if I'm able to manage CAT exam or not, मेरे बस का बात है भी या नहीं. Also मैंने कुछ ना कुछ questions के practice करे थे, ऐसे ही नहीं गया था exam hall. So I managed to score in the DILR section 98.42 percentile, 98 plus percentile I managed to score. You can see my scorecard. So I scored a 98 plus percentile in the DILR section and you can see my scorecard. I went for CAT 2024 and I scored just 77 percentile in CAT 2024. Although overall my percentile improved, but I scored just 77 percentile in quants. In previous year सिर्फ 71 percentile score करा था मैंने in quant, and coming to CAT 2025 I scored a whooping 99.92 percentile in quants. Also to mention, I self-prepared. किसी भी coaching में enroll नहीं करा था मैंने. I self-prepared, I worked hard and I scored a 99.92 percentile in quants. And overall, I scored a 98.37 percentile. As we know that QA Demon is a course, so I must tell you that why you should choose me. So why you should trust me. I learned through a lot of trials and errors. I self-prepared, but still aced quants. A lot of people think that coaching ज़रूरी है, बिना coaching के नहीं हो पाएगा, but trust me, I self-prepared and still aced quants. I already did the mistakes and failed, so I know where you can get stuck and I can help you to not get stuck at that point. I cracked the mindset to look at the questions. किस question में आपको time invest करना है, किस question में आपको time invest नहीं करना है, किस question को देखते ही आपको आगे बढ़ जाना है, and किस question को आपको 1 मिनट के लिए at least सोचना है. I focused on basics which built the foundation of shortcuts. A lot of people focus on shortcuts a lot, but it eventually doesn't help because shortcuts are built upon basics. So basics is very important and I built basics brick by brick and I'll help you to make it too. If I can become a QA Demon, trust me, you can too, because I will pass on everything that I have learned so far. I will hold your hands and take you to that 95 percentile marks. Trust me, it's not that difficult. But 99 percentile mark को touch करना है, so you have to put in your own efforts. 99 percentile takes your own efforts. I will take you to that 95 percentile, trust me, but 99 percentile takes your own efforts. So join the course and become a QA Demon with me. I would also like to talk about why most aspirants fail. Lack of concept clarity. बहुत सारे concepts के पीछे भागना, बहुत सारे syllabus को cover करना, but not mastering the topics जो कि आप पढ़ चुके हैं is a very 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 big mistake. आप कुछ भी पढ़े, master it. अच्छे से पढ़े ताकि आप कहीं पर भी उसको अप्लाई कर सके. बेसिक्स से पढ़े, शॉर्टकट्स में उसके बाद जाएं. मास्टरिंग का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको उसमें लाइक गॉड लेवल एक्यूरेसी हासिल करना है, बट एटलीस्ट आप लेवल 2 के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सके, इतना आपको प्रोफिशिएंसी हासिल करना है. पुअर क्वेश्चन सिलेक्शन. एग्जाम में आपको एक सर्टेन टाइम में सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके आना है. अगर कैट 2025 में आपने 9 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर दिए होते तो यू हैव इजीली स्कोर्ड 99 परसेंटाइल मार्क्स. एंड सॉल्विंग 9 क्वेश्चंस इज not that difficult at all. Trust me, it depends on which questions do you select. So question selection is important. Fear of quant is a very important thing. बहुत लोग सोचते हैं कि non-engineer won't be able to score that high. I have not touched maths from class 11th, so I won't be able to score that high. But I am a non-engineer, but I still scored 99 plus percentile in quants. So trust me, you can do it too. Weak in DILR pattern recognition. DILR is all about grasping those hints जो hidden होते हैं उन certain स्टेटमेंट्स में जिसको आपको डिकोड करना आना चाहिए. पुअर टाइम मैनेजमेंट. एग्जाम सिनेरियो के हिसाब से टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग which we will learn eventually. So आपको इमोशनली उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं करना कि ओ नो आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्कोर. ट्रस्ट मी, अगर आप उसमें बने रहे, गेम में कंसिस्टेंट रहे, then you will be eventually scoring high. So I will help you to score that 99 percentile and to gain that confidence that I did not had while my preparation. Now most importantly, what are the solutions of these key reasons because of which aspirants fail? So the solutions that you are going to get with QA Demon is concept first learning, which fixes your weak quant fundamentals. I focus on basics more because it helps you to apply shortcuts. अगर आपका basic strong है तो बहुत आसान हो जाता है question solve करना. Smart question selection strategy. How I used to select questions, that I will teach you. How I used to analyze my mock and how you can do it too. DILR pattern recognition training, and ये होगा most of the DILR के PYQs को साथ में मेरे साथ solve करते हुए. By the end of the course, I promise you, my goal is not to make you solve more questions, but my goal is to make you solve the right questions, the right amount of questions. So QA Demon course में आपको क्या मिलता है? QA Demon course में you will get complete quant coverage, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, number system, modern maths. I won't do any random shit जो तो जहाँ तहाँ से. I won't do that. मेरे को सिर्फ पढ़ाना नहीं है, मेरे को वो पढ़ाना. I will teach you that जिससे आप वो 95 परसेंटाइल के मार्क को टच कर सको एंड अपने मेहनत से 99 परसेंटाइल को टच कर सको. Logical reasoning for other management entrance tests like NMAT, SNAP, ZAT. As we know that other than CAT, NMAT, SNAP, ZAT are also very important exams, and उसके लिए logical reasoning का जो सिलेबस रहता है दैट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम कैट, एंड वो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ लॉजिकल रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. एंड वी विल आल्सो डू DILR PYQ सॉल्विंग सेशंस व्हिच विल हेल्प यू फॉर पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन. कॉन्सेप्ट एप्लीकेशन क्लासेस भी होगा जो कि हम लोग क्वेश्चंस पे अप्लाई करके कॉन्सेप्ट्स को रिवाइज करेंगे एंड सीखेंगे अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन, जो होगा आफ्टर कवरेज ऑफ सर्टेन सिलेबस एंड स्ट्रेटजीज फॉर VRC, DILR एंड क्वांट. एंड yes, everything will be delivered in a structured manner, not random videos. So the most important question now comes that what is the price of the course? So can you guess that what is the price of the course जो कि QA Demon का होने वाला है? Now breaking the ice and breaking the silence, it is going to be free. Everything will be delivered free on YouTube. जितने भी concept classes है, जितना भी मैंने promise करा है, everything will be delivered free on YouTube. So please subscribe to the channel. But wait. There is a paid part of QA Demon 2 which will give you an unfair advantage compared to other aspirants. This is why I am telling you that this is the most important video that you are going to watch before CAT 2026. So what do you get in the paid mentorship? You will get weekly mentorship sessions which will be live. We will build exam mindset, we will build mock performance, we will build tactical improvements. Guidance will continue until you secure a B school seat. And also it includes interview preparation, which is very important. जब तक आपको आपके B school में सीट नहीं मिल जाता, I will mentor you personally. And obviously it is going to take 12 to 13 months from now. So you will get 12 to 13 months of mentorship. We will also have live Q&A sessions where we discuss quant concepts, DILR solving approach. कोई भी डाउट जो आपको होता है किसी भी चीज से रिलेटेड, we are going to discuss on live Q&A sessions. And next, personalized performance review. Obviously आपका परफॉर्मेंस को हम ट्रैक करेंगे, हम आपके साथ बात करेंगे, एनालाइज करेंगे आपके मॉक परफॉर्मेंस को, आपके अटेम्प्ट स्ट्रैटेजी को इम्प्रोवाइज करेंगे, आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस को एनालाइज करेंगे, सो यू क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज स्टॉपिंग यू फ्रॉम इम्प्रूविंग एंड हाउ टू इम्प्रूव. टेलर्ड इम्प्रूवमेंट प्लान फॉर यू, आपके हिसाब से, आपके वीकनेस, आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स के हिसाब से, which topics to prioritize, which questions to practice, how to improve speed and accuracy. I will work on everything tailored to you. स्ट्रैटेजी करेक्शन, सबके पास स्ट्रैटेजी तो होता है, सब स्ट्रैटेजी बता देते हैं, सब फॉलो तो करते हैं, बट सबके ऊपर सेम स्ट्रैटेजी काम नहीं करता है. सो स्ट्रैटेजी करेक्शन विल बी अ थिंग जो आपके लिए टेलर्ड होगा, आपके हिसाब से होगा, एंड आई विल गिव यू क्लियर पाथवे कि आपको ये स्टेप फॉलो करना है ताकि आपको रिजल्ट्स दिखे. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, वो आपको दिखेगा. एंड मोटिवेशन आपको थ्रू आउट योर प्रिपरेशन मिलेगा फॉर 12 to 13 months, आपको जब तक आपको बी स्कूल का सीट नहीं मिल जाता. ऑल्सो यू विल बी इंट्रोड्यूस टू पॉजिटिव पीयर प्रेशर, अ प्राइवेट व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप एक्सेस जहां पे ओनली QA Demon के पेड कोर्स के बच्चे रहेंगे, एंड आई विल मेंटर देम पर्सनली. वी विल हैव लाइव वीकली मेंटरशिप सेशंस विच आर इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज बड़े कोचिंग आपको वो लाइव पर्सनल मेंटरशिप नहीं दे सकते, विच आई विल be able to provide. You become part of a group of serious aspirants, जिससे आपको benefits होगा, आपको progress दिखेगा, आपको discipline मिलेगा, and obviously peer doubt solving भी होगा inside the community. Students discuss करेंगे problems आपस में, students share करेंगे different solving approaches, and which will help them improve their mindset, their mental grit, their discipline. Now the most important thing comes कि इसका price क्या होने वाला है, because this is going to be paid. जो free था, it will be free on YouTube, it will be recorded, but these things are going to be live. I am going to mentor you personally. It takes a lot of hard work, it will take a lot of time. I want to provide you that value. So what is the price? This is the most important thing right now, and I am going to break down the price for you. So let's see the breakdown. Guidance, strategy, discussion, live mentorship and everything, सब कुछ मैंने देखा. एंड कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइसिंग जो भी आपको मार्केट में अवेलेबल है उसका टिपिकल एवरेज प्राइस अराउंड 200 रुपीज पर सेशन है. सो पर सेशन जो कि वीकली आई विल प्रोवाइड यू फॉर 12 months, एंड इन अ मंथ देयर आर 4 weeks, सो आई विल प्रोवाइड यू 4 sessions per month. If done for 12 months, 200 into 48, because in 12 months there are 4 weeks per month, 12 into 4, 48 weeks. So it will cost you around 9,600. Only the core value of the mentorship that I'm going to provide you, the personal guidance, the person direction that I'm going to provide you, the hard work, the time that I'm going to put towards you to take you that 95 percentile by holding your hands, and by your own efforts you are going to reach that 99 percentile. उसका core value price ही around 9,600 बनता है. And considering other perks and full course that I'm providing you, the full and fledged coverage of syllabus, the personal mentorship, the hard work, the time, the efforts, the guidance, everything that I'm going to provide you, which will cost around 15,000 plus value easily. But क्या कॉस्ट उसका 15,000 रुपीज होने वाला है? द लॉन्च प्राइस इज 15,000. एग्जैक्टली नहीं, उसका प्राइस 15,000 नहीं है. सो द लॉन्च प्राइस इज 10,000 रुपीज. नहीं, इसका लॉन्च प्राइस रुपीज 10,000 भी नहीं है. तो क्या द लॉन्च प्राइस इज 5,000 रुपीज? नो गाइस, इसका लॉन्च प्राइस 5,000 रुपीज भी नहीं है. तो क्या इसका प्राइस फाइनली 2,500 रुपीज है? यस, नहीं गाइस, इसका प्राइस 2,500 रुपीज भी नहीं है. सो फुल एंड फाइनली द लॉन्च प्राइस इज 1,499. इज इट? Yes guys, the launch price is 1,499. But wait, for the first 50 demons जो कि बनना चाहते हैं मेरे साथ like me, only 999 रुपीज होने वाला है. for the first 50 demons जो कि बनना चाहते हैं like me QA demons, उनके लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ 999 रुपीज होगा QA demon कोर्स का price. And some more important things to talk about. The students who are going to enroll in this course, my founding batch students, will get lifetime connection with me. They will have lifetime connection with me. Just think about it कि आपको कितना benefit होने वाला है इससे. Also, even if you are enrolled in any other coaching, you will have an unfair advantage compared to others if you enroll to QA Demon. So enroll now, no matter what. If you are a college student, working professional, full-time CAT aspirant or a CAT repeater, this course is for you. So enroll now and let's become a QA Demon. To enroll in the QA Demon course, you will have to fill the Google form present in the description, present in the pinned comment. आपको Google form fill करना है and वहाँ पे अपना information देना है, and you will be onboarded by my team. So don't wait and फटाफट enroll करो, because for the first 50 students it is only 999. And trust me, this 99 rupees is not a cost but an investment which will give you 100 times returns. Subscribe to the channel, like and share this video with your friends, with any इवन जो भी आपको पता है कि प्रेप करना चाहते हैं क्यूए के लिए, DILR के लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग करना चाहते हैं एंड बहुत ही अच्छे मेंटरशिप को अनलॉक करना चाहते हैं, प्लीज शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. ऑल्सो फॉलो मी ऑन Instagram and LinkedIn for more interesting content. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please enroll to the QA Demon course, and I'll be looking forward to onboard you and teach you each and everything and make you a QA Demon too, like myself. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like and subscribe to the channel.